Today I'm telling you how you have to fill the expense mode of FE site. For that you have to go on any browser. Now I'm using that one. Name is Microsoft. Okay. So here you have to write the FE site, FEA India.org. Okay. Go there and you can see here go on employee session. Go on employee session and you can see their expense. You have to click there. Here you have to click. Okay. So please wait. It's take time. Here you have to write your employee ID. Mine is 550 and you, after that you have to write your password. I'm not sharing my something. Pencil. Okay. So you can see there food and travel expense. You have to click on there and download it. Like open and save it. I open. Yeah, open file. You can change the name as well. You can change the place where you took it. Just open it. Just wait, it will take time. Open two or three. Further, you have to open one. Go there. I have to open one. Go on download. Open one and now I'm telling you how you have to fill. First of all, you have to go on your expenses of theirs, time sheet for branch stuff, and write your like I'm from Aligarh, so I'm writing Aligarh, and you can write here your specific place like Etachungi, PCAC, then improvement. You can write anything from your places. Okay, a sheet name as well. So now I'm enable editing. Please wait, it will take time. Okay, now you can see here from here I'm writing Aligarh. Aligarh to my place. Like I came from Aligarh to Adalpur. So Adalpur. Then right here purpose. So I'm here for teaching. So write teaching or you can write facilitator as well. Okay. So after that you have to write here your kilometer, your commute. If you came on your branch like 40 and go at your home 40, so it is 80. But you have to remember that you do not have to write here more than 55 to 56. Then it will take, then it will be like more than 3000 or actually not give you more than 3000, you know. So right here your kilometer, it should be more less than 55. Okay, so I'm writing 45. Then you can see there, just you have to do the same thing with all. Okay, like I'm doing copy cells for this also, teaching. Kilometer. Here we have to write also. Okay. So now you can see on Sunday we have to erase this. For this we have to go on backspace. Okay, one by one we have to do this. This way. Are you getting it? Don't do this. For this. It is from FEA. Yes. FEA, that's why we can't create this. Just like you can see, I can fill this. But you have to remember this: if you not came on the 9th of July, so you have to erase this also, or whatever your date. Just you have to write that day you came. Okay, like this. I fill this, and after that you have to go on summary. Go there and write your name. I'm writing my name, and the employee code. Mine is 550. Department. Yes. So here you have to write operations. 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 Designation. It is teacher. You can write teacher and facilitator as well. There you have to write your manager name. Mine is Omveer Singh. Okay. Then you can see whole thing is Control plus S, or you can go there, save, or you can choose your area where you have to put. I'm putting there. And you can write anything. But here, July. For July. Go there. Now you have to come on that side and go on to the expense. Choose normal. Then student travel expense. After your whatever your amount was, you have write here that. So that I forgot. Okay. Okay, you have write your amount. I'm writing mine. Then go here. No, we don't have bill. We are good. Name, expense name was. You can write your expense. Mine is tour and travel expenses. Here, Etherford. Then my name. You can write here your expense name. So that you can refresh one more time. Yes, this is will come. You go on there. Okay. So here and write here your expense description. You write your description like I'm writing at home, Bhutan, tour and travels, and tour and travels. Here is the by Ritik Kumar. Okay, and write here expense amount. I'm writing my 2229. So 22 right here 2229. And this is after you have to write here your last month. Is last of 1 to 31, or it can be 31, 29, 30. So you have to choose last previous. But after that, you have to put on that expense Excel sheet from choose from. Go there, mine what to buy, name what to buy, click here, open, and you have to just submit. After submitting, you have to go book expense, and you can see it will reflect there. Okay, so it is totally from that video. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.